Hello everyone, welcome to English and today we are going to learn about E and E. So let's start. This is the letter E and its sound is E and E. And the sound of E is E. Now let's see some words starting with E as the sound. English, England. Please focus on the initial sound. It's E. England. Eating. Eardrop. Ear. And now let's see some words starting with E and having the sound E. Elf, elbow, enter, exit, exam. So, as of now, you must have understood the two sounds of E. One is E and the other one is E. So, let's see the words all together this time to revise the sound. English, England, eating, eardrop, ear. And now the other sound. Elf, elbow, enter, exit, exam. Okay. And now let's learn about the sound of E. So let's look at some words which are having the sound E, having double E and are having the sound of E. The first one is B. If we break the sounds, we can say it like B, E, B. C, E, C. 3, E, 3. Feet, eat, feet. Meat, eat, meat. Teeth, eat, teeth. Tree, tree. Seeds, eat, seeds. Okay, so now let's look at the E words all together. B, C, 3, tree, feet, meat, teeth, and seeds. Now to revise our today's concept, we can do some activities. For example, in this activity, we have to tick the pictures which are starting with E. So they can have the sound E or they can have the sound E. So let's check. Are you able to guess? Okay. So the first one is eagle. And yes, it's elephant. And the next one is egg. Another one is envelope. And another one is eating. Now one more left is ear. Okay, let's move on to another activity. In this, we have to add E and then we have to read the word. So the first one is, as you can see, it's egg, egg. Another one is elephant, elephant. Another one is ear, ear. And the last one is eat, eat. Okay. Let's move ahead, and here is one more. Add E and read the word. B-E-B, T-E-T, teeth, S-E-C, Tree, Eat, feet, Seed, seed. And now it's goodbye time. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep practicing your phonic sounds and we will meet again in the next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.